and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag on our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October 2020. Don't worry, Haley and I will be coming back and doing Ipsy versus Ipsy Mother versus Daughter edition with the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Plus. However, right now she is actually having to self-quarantine because there's a few cases at her school of COVID and they had to shut down. So I think we have like another week before we can hang out again, and it's like but she's doing okay. Prayers to everybody at the school, and I hope everybody recovers. It is a crazy time, guys, so don't take it lightly. It's serious. So anyways, guys, that is all that I will like rant on as far as that goes. But like I said, Haley and I will be coming back and doing our paid for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus Mother versus Daughter edition very soon as possible. But anyways, like I said, we're going to be unbagging this today. So if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we're goofy, we're crazy, but we embrace it and have fun with it. So if you guys are curious about my funky shirt, yes, you guessed it, Glitzy Girls Boutique. I will say I did pick this up in a large and it's pretty cozy, but I feel like because of the way I want to wear this, it would have been better if I had a little bit more room in there and had picked up an extra large or something. So anyways, I'll link it down below if you guys are curious. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, FYI forewarning, I'm filming this on a Monday. The scatterbrain is a little like, what is that? I don't even know. But all I can tell you guys is I had a little too much fun on Saturday night with some Auntie Annie's pretzels, and the gluten is messing with the brain fog. That's that on that. So let's go ahead and start with our Ipsy Glam Bag. Now this bag is $12 a month. It is supposed to be profile based. I do fib on my profile. If you guys are new here, yep, that's the one thing I will lie about when it comes to my Ipsy profile. I say that I'm in my early 20s versus being 42, and I have found that I get much better bags since I started to fib about my age on my, not in real life, guys. I'm fine with being 42. I'm totally okay with it. But I just, if you guys go back to like 2017 and watch Haley and I do our unbaggings, it was not good. So anyways, as far as my profile goes on everything else, I do say I have normal to combo skin, blue eyes, blonde hair, medium skin. I'm okay with makeup as far as that goes. And this is what the bag for October looks like. It's a cute like pleather material. On the back it says "You're magic," and you do get a cute little dingly thingy. I don't really know, but it's cute. So the first thing that was in my bag is the Timeless Beauty Face of the Day Soothing Restoring Face Sheet Mask and the Cooling Face Sheet Mask for repairing. I am happy with that. You guys know I love sheet masks, and one of you guys gave me this great tip specifically for Haley because Haley doesn't like that cold feeling from sheet masks. And you guys said take the package, run it under hot water, warm it up, and then apply it to the skin. And she made such a great point that steam and warmth is good to open the pores and let things get in there. So I thought, you know, you're a genius. Thank you so much. So nice little tip to others out there that may not like the cold feeling of a sheet mask. And again, we are unbagging the $12 bag. The first item I see in here, oh, I picked this. I did. I'm like 99% sure. You do get to customize that. I think it's one item in this bag. You guys know they switched it in, I think, August, and your girl still can't get it together whether or not it's like one thing or three things like in the Plus. Okay, so I went ahead and I chose the OFRA highlighter in Blissful because I thought it was absolutely beautiful, and I absolutely love, did I mention I love OFRA highlighters? By the way, I do have like a 20% off coupon code. It is an affiliate code with OFRA, but if you guys are interested in saving some money, I think it's just Hot Mess. I'll pop it up on the screen, whatever it is, but how gorgeous is that? Oh, I love that. I hope it's not too dark. I don't think so. It's like a pretty like rose gold. It's really pretty. I like that. And I feel like it's full size. Okay, moving on to the next item in my bag. Did I pick this too? I may have picked it. Maybe you do get to pick 3 things. I don't know. This is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator in the itty bittiest, teeniest, tiniest little doodad available. I mean, isn't that cute though? I feel like it's that LOL size, you know, those little toys for kids. The shade I went with is 34N medium neutral. Let me pull it up on my app and see if it tells me. I bet you it does. And I'm over here and you guys are probably yelling at your screen like, Rhonda, just check your app. You can get all the deets. And I'm over here like, I'm not for sure. Daily harvest break. Okay, look at that. I thought I picked this OFRA highlighter. I did not. I did not pick that. I thought I did. I actually picked the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator in medium neutral. So that's pretty awesome. That means that Ipsy actually picked this for me. So cool to that. The next item is the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout. Ooh, okay. I'm not mad about that at all. And then the last item is the Lottie London Slate All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is what the shade looks like. I do like the shade. I'm comfortable with the shade. And Fleek is the name of it. However, I'm not down for like matte lipsticks on my lips. But that's just me. As far as the overall amount, like overall of the bag, I actually really like this. I actually like this better than the PR bag. I know a lot of people are like, you got PR, you always get a better bag. And I don't even know if I put that bag together correctly, to be honest with you guys, because everything was put into one big box, so I was just kind of winging it. So definitely check out Haley's channel, because I think the way she unboxed her PR glam bag was definitely correct, and mine not so much. So anyways, as far as my paid for bag, whether I got the PR one right or not, I like this one better. I like the products in here, and I'm super excited about this. And I've seen a lot of people talk about this tinted Maracuja hydrator. It's like a, I don't really know, like a BB cream maybe. So I'm excited to try that out. So let's go ahead and move over to the Glam Bag Plus. Now this is $25 a month, and plus tax obviously, and you do get to customize 3 out of, I think, the 5 items. So you pick 3 of the items, and then Ipsy will go based off your profile to choose the other 2 items. I have to say, I really like the fact that they have switched the bags up and they went back to a larger bag. It's a drawstring, whatever, ignore me. But this is what it looks like, very similar to the Ipsy Glam bag. This is in cloth material, and then of course on the back you got that. So I like that already. Let me pull up what I chose, because my brain, even though it was like 2.5 weeks ago that I made my choices, I still don't remember. So let's go with what I chose. I don't know why I chose that. Okay, so the first item I picked is Ipsy Beauty Nail Lacquer. I kind of know why I picked that, because I do my own nails, and you know, nail polish can kind of get a little bit on the pricey side. So one thing that I really liked was the components in here. I thought they were freaking adorable. So this is a top coat, and look how cute. I think this is just a fancy plastic. I don't think it's actually glass. And then I thought this was like, I don't think I'll keep this one. I do feel like I actually probably have this shade, so I will probably just gift this. But you got a set of 2 of them. I thought that was really pretty. As far as the card goes, I don't know. I didn't even look at the card in the other bag. Did it give me information on stuff? It actually flippin' did. Wow. Go Rhonda. Way to read the card. Okay, so here's a little side note, guys. For many months, they stopped putting information on the cards, and it was just like a bunch of random nonsense that nobody really read. So yeah, there's that. So as far as my bag went, it was good. Okay, don't come here for professionalism. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. See, this is what I'm used to getting, the nonsense card, things I don't want to read about. So there's that. So I don't know if I want to know the prices of the items. I have to physically go into my app and check it. So these have a retail value of $37 for this nail polish set, and this duo set is top coat and then the shade Unbothered. Moving on to the next item I see in here is by Lovecraft Beauty. This is an eyeshadow palette in here, and did I choose this? I did not. So they picked this for me. Ooh, okay. What is that brand? There was a, I can't remember for the life of me the name of the brand, but they had like that olive palette. That is so pretty, and that's what it reminds me of. This is a really pretty palette. Not mad about it. Very nice, very pretty, and definitely shades I would use. I really like that palette. I like that a lot. So this Lovecraft palette does have a retail value of $35. Okay, moving on to the next item in here is the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. What? What? And again, I didn't pick this. Ipsy picked this. I didn't even know Tarte Shape Tape had a setting powder. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a mirror in here. There's a little puffer. Oh my gosh. And it's in the shade Translucent. Okay. How cool is that? And then, okay, well, I totally went overboard. I didn't have to unscrew it. You just flip the lid. There's that. So, wow, I'm really, really excited here, guys. Actually, let me give you guys the retail value of the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. $34 for this one. I mean, this bag is awesome. I'm like really excited over here. I'm pretty shocked because you guys know I wasn't like, over like my last couple bags. Like, this is awesome. Okay, so the next item, I just opened it up and it's a set of 2 lip pencils. I apparently picked this. Let's go ahead and try these out. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a lip pencil? It's a gel eyeliner. Okay, that makes more sense because I'm like, why does it, I thought these were lip pencils. They're almost the same doggone shade, but these are pretty, and it does come with eye pencil sharpener, so that's really nice. I do like these particular shades. You can see one is lighter than the other, has a little bit of shimmer in there. The other one is more of a deeper chocolate bronze. This is actually really pretty. I do like the way they feel as well, and I like that they came with a little pencil sharpener. A little bit of information on this. It does have a retail value of, let's just see, $37 for both of these, and this is by Araceli. Okay, so the last item that I picked is by Violet Voss. This is what I thought I was pulling out before. This is a lip gloss in the shade, let's see. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Adore. That is gorgeous. And it does have a retail value of $12. I don't smell it. Ooh, that's pretty. Now this is a lip gloss that definitely has a lot of opacity to it. I'm not mad about it. I think it's a really, really pretty color. Definitely one that I would use, no doubt. So anyways, so let's talk about this bag. You guys, this was my paid for bag, and I actually really like my paid for bag better than my PR bag. So as far as that goes, I think this bag was amazing. I definitely think it was worth my $25. I am so shocked and happy and pleased by the items that they chose for me in this bag. Like, I'm really shocked because I wasn't, I was like, meh, last month, the month before, amazing. And like I said, I like this bag better than my PR bag. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below as far as your Ipsy went. Did you guys get the same bag as me? Did you get some of the same items? Did you choose the same items? I have to say, this bag ranks right up there with the August bag. August was awesome. August was awesome. This may have beat my August bag, to be honest with you guys. I'm excited to see setting powder. Like, I just made a comment over BoxyCharm offering in November's premium the choice of a setting powder. I'm like, we don't see that too often. So way to go, Ipsy. Okay, that's cool. All right, guys. Well, if you are excited about Ipsy, if you want to sign up for Ipsy, I do have a referral link. It's not an affiliate link down below for you guys. I don't earn a commission or anything like that, but if you guys are interested in adding Ipsy to your subscription repertoire, I don't know. It'll be down there if you guys are interested. Like I said, Haley and I will be coming back once she gets free and clear to do our Ipsy versus Ipsy mother versus daughter. Make sure to check Haley's channel out because she is doing some unboxings over there, as well as the 31 days of Halloween, and they're pretty awesome. Like, pretty awesome. So anyways, guys, don't forget there is a giveaway going on our channel right now. I will leave that video linked down below in the description box, as well as in our comment section, where you can sign up for Ipsy, check out the giveaway as well, and follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everywhere you possibly can. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys know your girl has been trying and trying and trying to get that 10K over on Instagram. So please help your girl out. Go over to Instagram. Give me a little follow. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye, guys.